I get back with money when I waste it. I will Jamaican people then do them something I took a look there. You see it? The government of Jamaica make certain things do this out there. Because we not too much waste out there.
So yes, the people today is all about some can bottles. Yeah man, we are going also some bottle today. You know, we're in Canada. Life of an immigrant farm worker. No waste. So we are gather up bottles, we can everything. We go hustle an idea. Yeah.
Like one red carrot, but come like
cherry finish, so we there full dry. I want to sell some back to get some money to buy beer and buy chicken and jerk. Oh, there with one Raldo. Yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
So yes, my people, we out here, as I say, like I say, we gather some buckle, some can. You know, we'll go hustling after the cherry season, where we use and put on a little get together party where we can full dry ourselves, you know? Yeah man, so we have sharp man there, I tie the bag. So you know, when we head to the place, you know, loose out.
You know, I want portion of them, the people them take up.
Yeah man, baller. Yeah man, holy packy and me people. So yeah, me people, like me say, this is one of the little hustling we do after the season, cherry season done. But we can use and buy some juice, some beer, Budweiser, and buy some chicken and some pork and put on the grill. And we just full dry life together. We chat, we reason, we laugh, you know. We just laugh off the pain, you know. That is it, my people. So like I say, we gather them, we head down to the place. Never been there before, so I don't have an idea where it is, but we are going to find it. You know, Canada with it, Google, never lie.
She me see, and she drive the Porsche.
One more bag to this one, man. This is a man. Half, man.
I'm not seeing them one.
You buy bag,
Raldo.
Jump it. Where's that going to see?
Yeah. Blood, sweat and tears, my people. It was a hard and long journey. Wasn't easy, never an easy journey.
I don't had a lot of
you know,
people.
cherry season. Talk about some early morning. You know, we have to get up for your bed. 3 o'clock, start work 5 o'clock. Yeah man, it's never an easy journey, my people. Whether you're working the archer, you're working the factory.
What time you place up?
You know, never easy. Finally we get to Vital there already. Put yourself together for the happy, my people. Yeah man, we want to give God thanks to bring us through safe.
I saw your great donkey, man. You have to put your foot on him and girth him. So.
Yeah man. Nothing wasted in Canada, nothing that's right. Yes. Nothing go to waste.
Actually,
yeah man, go to work. Go and ship the man final policy.
Hi guys.
So, based upon what we heard when I was in Jamaica about the cherry season this year, that is gonna be a humongous one, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I tell you guys, it work, it big. I tell you, the boss, I can tell you, is happy, even though he maybe not sure that, but cherry was big. Lot of sleepless hours we get. I tell you, we sleep, we get no sleep at, I say, maybe most of the time. 16 hours a day, you can imagine that. So we don't have no time for rest, no time for cook a little food and thing. We have to do it for a shift. You see me? So guys, it was well worth it. I can say well worth it. Yeah, man.
It was a very nice season, and trust me, you ever see where man can't mash up on it and can't wake up a man, I tell you, brother, it was very, very, very a very success season, and we all go through it, give God thanks for everything, what we have made and what we have gained, and trust me, it was worth it a lot. You know, it was a very hard battle, very, very hard battle we were fighting. No sleep, couldn't sleep a lot, and trust me, by the time we sleep, we wake up back, like 7 o'clock again, work a morning. So you know, say, reach where we at 11 o'clock. We left work 11 o'clock. By the time we reach home more like 12 o'clock, 11:45 of them time. So you know, say, by the time we look again, I work again tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock. So we have to active, trust me, I tell you that. And we buy food wise too, when we are going to work, more live get to cook and we just have to grab the snacks and them thing there and jump out and just go and bless up everybody.
Yes, my people. Like we don't hear it from the guys them. Like me I say, it was a very rough and tough season, the people. Yeah man. Right through the season it was all about sleepless night, and when it come to proper eating was a no-no, my people, because we never really get the time to. Because like you hear them say, the early morning something, you work from 7 to 11, by the time you're done and reach home 12 o'clock, time to come, maybe you get a little sandwich, a cup of tea, who knows again, you have to get up from like 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock, so you can be able to make something to eat and something to eat during the day while you're at work. Yeah man, it wasn't easy, my people. Cause remember say, we don't have no wife there. We could have able to do that for we have to do everything for ourselves, my people. We have to shop for ourselves, we have to cook for ourselves. But like me say, we come to it at night, we just see we there, we gather some buckle to go hustle. We can buy some juice and chicken and full dried moments. Yes, my people, stick and stay. Yeah man, so you have a buckle in here, so you know where you go. Fine, we make that go up in that, you know. Yeah man. Can them in about see. It's my bag. You know? Yeah man, cause you know sellers have to make. Yeah man. Come through the rocket through.
Rocket.
Rocket through.
Oh.
Buckle my people, buckle. One bus a buckle. Also we are hustling on my people. Yes my people, so all on board here now. Time to move out. You know? Yeah man. So we are head out here now. We're going with the little happenings and people. Stick So yes, my people. Boy, we just pull up at the location, guys, and them say, I think the place not opening until 10 o'clock. Remember, my first time. I've never been there before, my people. So I wouldn't have no idea. So we are going to circle back 10 o'clock. It's now 9:45. But what me I go do, we tap a one spot. I go run, go over Dollarama, go pick up something cool. Can quench with thirst, my people, and forward back. Then we circle back on the ends. I hope when we come back, nobody not take them out, you know, my people.
Problem in a Canada.
Problem. Yeah, man, we are left them, you know. Make sure when we come back, we come soon, you know.
Yeah, around 2 months out of buckle list now.
Yeah, man. And we have to walk through the back door. So we full up. Do two, we full up. Yeah, man, so we are like this. And then my yellow bus around Jamaica now, you know. Yes, my people. So we are going to grab 2 cold juice in a Dollarama. And we are outside. Life of an immigrant. Jamaican farm workers in Canada. A day in the life, selling bottles, can. And the greatest thing, my people, are all the bottles and the can that we bought. We save them up so we can be able to get back something from them. Here in Canada, nothing go to waste. Nothing. Even the leaves, nothing go to waste. And we are here. See? And we are working with a Pepsi. Oh, I ain't going to your back pocket, man. I want the water. Yeah. So we know. So yes, my people, we just sitting outside at Dollarama having chips, water. Me know me have a Pepsi. I just like Pepsi. Some way, somehow, you know. So my guys them go and pick up few stuff. So we are wait for them in the meantime. And then we head right back to the place we say we're back, you know. And man, we are the real hustling. Believe. People, after me there I make my video, this man come and put him big bread in my video. Yeah, I put him big bread in my video. And if he did give me a slice of the bread in my people, feed, you can't drink Pepsi and eat bread, you own somebody, you know. So yes, my people, finally we're ready for head back to the location, my people, and go see. Cause by now the place is supposed to open after 10 years now. So me there and the guys them did stop pick up few little things. As you see with the run going on, little store go buy 2 juice and quench with terrace. So we are head back.
What do you mean big yellow?
Yeah man, more send it across the road so no hop up to the back door, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, the man who hop up in that the best, you know. We are going to find out, you know. Yeah. Hop up Castillo. Hope. So yes, my people, we just pull up a location finally. Yeah man, we are go. See that Charlie them there, we are go shoot the pan. Yeah man. We are go on. Like the back door there. See it? Yeah man, so bag a tear up with me people. Turn it over now, you can't turn over. Yeah man. Yeah. Back up bus. Yes, my people, so finally we're there. It's about to buckle them. See what going. See what going. So we have to go dump you out in this here now. Yeah. Dump you out in there. Yeah. So we try and do empty out the whole thing in this big plastic. Go. Nice. Don't break nothing, don't break nothing. Don't break anything. So much back to my people. Nah, go can't hold. No, don't put no more. Nah, go hold, man. Just left some in that. Left some in that.
I saw all our money in Canada. See, we money them, man. See them, man. See them? The man, I think they have money. See, we money I spend back in Canada. See it. All our money. I saw we spend it back in Canada. Right, that's what see there. Look.
Yeah,
look,
man.
see them there?
Buckle.
Buckle, water and juice. That's how we spend.
Everything.
Yeah. Some man think say we have money.
So yeah, get back your money.
You get back your money. We now waste it. Oh. I will Jamaican people then do them something I took a look there. You see it? The government of Jamaica make certain to do this out there. Because we not too much waste out there.
Yes, the people. So we are get back with money, you know.
Are you ready?
After we buy up this whole heap of juice and water. I think after it I go sell them back and get back with money.
Yeah.
You can't carry that coming up. Yes, Hardy.
Yes, man. Nah, I tell you, man. Them things say we are wasting money for nothing. Over Canada, no waste over Canada, in Canada.
No waste, no dash rate. So yes, the people reach that spot and we are shooting ours. Yeah.
Alright, we're so serious.
So them boy now we have to use.
Nah, man, we can't use anyone.
Same near one.
Anyone, it don't matter.
So we're there. Roll up. That's how you going on with people. We have to shoot through this little thing.
Hey, no, you can go. Yeah, you can go. No, man, you go. Don't worry, I'm with those guys. Yeah.
See, when people count the money same time, you know.
No, 10 cents. 20 cents.
See the count. Reject that.
One more, Charlie. Find a bag before them.
Sometimes I reject them clean up the people. So
No, man, bring them in, man. Bring it in. Gonna come in with like car. Yes, what are you
and I'm playing up. That man there. First time. So yes, Adi. First time experiencing it.
Yo, how you mean?
Yeah,
we
man.
waste money in Canada. We know waste nothing, see it? We know waste nothing in Canada.
See the people. A lot of noise.
How you mean?
My first time experiencing it, guys. You know? It's actually counting.
Joe, we know waste money in Canada.
Yes, sharp, man.
Hold on.
I say, you check it.
Yeah, we put them in the time. Yeah, we don't know. In Canada, not no waste.
No dash rate.
Not no dash rate.
Why my people we sorry about the noise, you know?
Yeah.
You know, it's gonna be a lot of noise, my people. Sorry about the whole heap of noise, but you know, everybody look lost. You see it? Yeah. First time
don't know. I wish the government had done it.
Yes, my people.
Yeah, the label.
We are here. Selling buckle, selling can. Yeah, man. You know, my video, man. Guys, them are doing the push through. Yeah, man. Making money. Yes, my people. Yeah, man, you know, we are sub two battle. We are hustle up. We say money. Money we are making today. Money.
That's how we money spending in Canada.
See the people.
Yeah.
That's the money.
My sister, we have to work, we have to eat, we have to drink.
Yeah, man. So later, you know, we have a jerk chicken and drink beer.
Yeah, man.
And we just party.
Yeah, man.
And have fun. See how pretty girl that sell buckle too.
Pretty girl, I said.
You know, we ugly and pretty girl.
I'm going to do it. I have to treat them.
Wait, see, you done?
Oh, my help you? Yeah. So come on, in foreign.
So I'm doing here.
Yeah, man, it's so good. Hold on. Sometimes we have to read the label. You buy the same way, but I have to read the label. Can't read the label. Yeah, man, in foreign, man. You can't
I don't think so. See that seat here?
Yeah.
It's trying to make it now, boy.
Money!
Money. Money.
Oh, that the one there.
Money.
Money!
Yeah,
What's the people money?
Money. Yes, man.
And what we have done with people?
Alright, so gentle people. We're there, we're in the crew. Cherry finish and everything. And we decide so we have to make some money on the Sunday, you know? So as you can see, we have these buckets we've been saving for the past 2 months. Yeah, man. A lot of guys contribute towards this because every man buy juice, water and everything. So now we save up all of these and we decide say, today Sunday we have to make some money. Yeah, man. One done over there. How do you know might know him as? Yeah. And all the rest of crew them there. So factory closed down and everything. And we decide so we have to make some money. So this is a process of how Canada work with the recycle. Recycle. You see me? So
That's going there, man.
Jamaica, I don't know if this thing start up yet down at Jamaica. I tell you, as you can see the people them in here. Enough people that consider down here say, yo, this is a no-no, but just look for the quality people them. I just see a young miss a while ago and I say, wow.
Come to them, man. They don't put them in there.
If a Jamaica she would have probably
What do you mean?
just
Most
a
of them
rubber
put it
tap
into
and what not something like that, you know, but she near a sell back just like we.
Right, Jack and Gani, them fuck ya fuck.
And
They should be there a while ago. You mean? Me just should one in
this
there.
back for 10 cents. Yo, put a close up on the figure. When you pick up back with
It's a bit
10
they
cents.
can't go in there, you know.
You see me? Yeah. Watch it. 10 cents. for a buckle. You see me?
Yeah.
So consider we dash we throw away one of these buckle. A 10 cent we are throw away now. Yeah, and I think I'm not sure. I think the bigger buckles like these value more. I'm not sure. This is my first time here, but we always other guys always bring it down. Yeah man, so this is the process. It cannot make no mistake. If you reject it, see where you reject it. Yeah man, them one they reject. Maybe because some of them dirty or them bend up or something like that. The label must be on it, else it not accept it and thing like that. You see me? Say, what you say? Check out Shark Boss, you know. Shark Boss over there make money, you know. Yeah. Shark Boss I make money for you. Yeah man.
But you have to them buy them a different too, you know. So me, they take them off right. Some place.
So me I say when you do them places you have to put your pride aside. You know work at them places because the money you have to make is
I don't have to A1.
you know one period of time in them places you get cold. Yeah, so you know your heater or your gas, whatever they use it, stay warm. If you don't have that up you're in a problem, so you have to put your pride aside. Back in the days, look how me look. Back in the days, no boy can't get me to go up on the road looking like this. But me grow up you know, mentally, physically.
No.
So
This
is what we are doing. Yeah. And then we are going to go home and cook with Sunday dinner. Red rice and rooster. You all should know. Yeah. Yeah. Fast man.
Yes, the people. You know they are rough cast. So we have to do all for Ben. You know you go.
You just budgie.
So you think then.
I will take you over. Oh, yeah? Go next one.
First time I do this to my people. First time.
Yeah, regular.
Yeah.
Whichever way, just try everything.
We go extra.
When we see people carry food, look up bag. Let's see if that hurt you. Camera man.
Yeah, man. You see how watch me? Watch out.
I get water for one. Oh. Wow. Yeah, I get a pretty smile, boy. Wow. Yeah, so we don't care you call it to go, you know, in the field, you know. The ball there, they feel kicking up, boy. Let's see, we see what we made of it.
Money! Counting money! Somebody I wonder what I go on.
You should put that on that. So let it fall, yeah.
Oh yeah, no money for that one, yeah. It's them big one, yeah.
Bigger money.
Watch it.
Bigger money. You push a little far, then I was scared. You're not scared, man.
Oh, I sell big or
Oh, yeah. I see that.
see monkey? Oh, see my scrap and everything. Come see, my man can want some over circuit board in another box there. You see how people, you see how yard and you see them, they must be over and make them. Although it takes, I work for money fee, run recycling,
Yes, the people don't know what I go on and say operate, you know. Yeah. So we're back on it, counting up. So we're back to where we live.
Yeah, we almost finished as you can see.
Yeah man, counting the dollars.
Couple thousand buckle well we bring in.
Yeah.
Plastic can, glass buckles.
Everything.
Trust me.
Shit. I'm gone early, man.
Now, these guys in charge of making sure the buckle go where it's supposed to go. Right. This guy over here now, he's in charge of the money. You can see in his hand. Yeah, he's in charge of the money. So anything go on, he's just standing. Supervisor, okay.
Make sure the buckle going. Alright. Make sure the buckle going.
Now,
use pens.
when we calculate it, we do around at least maybe around 5 of this bill.
And me I share the money, you know. Me I go do the sharing with people. I joke with people. Remember we tell you, we just have to buy rum, beer, and chicken and pork and put on the grill.
Yeah man, that's it.
That's what I go do.
Everybody can eat.
Let's see how hard me I work with people. We put about 2,000 buckles through the whole already.
And remember guys, we were not even finished. This idea after Cherry. Cherry finished yesterday too. And see, still up on the hustling same way. So we know we have to make this dollar bill.
Yeah man. Dollar bill. Yeah my people, that's what it say. Return it. That's it. Yeah man, return it and we just did exactly that with people. We just cash in couple back well. Just wait for the guys them now to go collect the little dividends. Flower gone. Yeah man, cherry done and dusted. Can go drink beer you know. So yeah my people they are cash in, what you are going? Tickets. Scan the barcode. So we get paid, you know.
Oh, money you know.
See me? That's where I go on. Cash out. Yeah, man. Yes, day. Cash, yeah. Where's it? $2 one. We now left nothing.
Everything. Come on, give me money. I think we are looking for. Oh,
Yeah, man.
Cash up money.
It's a Rallo.
yes, man. We are making dollar bill, you know. Also, don't give me that.
Collect these dollar bills.
Yeah, drop the money, brother. Crazy. Ah, big one.
Another big cash out.
One. So,
But you know.
Yeah, they're on the road.
Yeah, so you collect it, you know.
yeah.
And the tear it, you know. You draw like you want to tear it. Be careful, you know. Be careful.
Alright. I last night this one.
Alright, what you are going on?
Final one, you know. See there?
$6.50.
Yeah, one.
They are the proof.
It has a drop out just a coin.
I get $5 yourself.
Oh, we get one $5 yourself.
Or 50 cents. Or 50 cents up at top.
50 cents, right? Just so you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
$1.50.
$1.50.
$6.
Yeah, $1.50, $6.
So that's it, my friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's it. So we cash out everything to prove. We have a receipt. I know people steal, so we are sure them what I want to say. We get the work we do, and we do it, and we bring back the receipt. But we don't really have to bring it back to the friend.
See you there.
Because we have the money, but what we are going to do here now? We are going to go at the store. We just have to buy what we buy.
Yeah.
Isn't it? And then maybe later or tomorrow or one next day. On the grill. Yeah, man. The man never eat pork, it a go there. The man never love chicken, it a go there. Where fish man them there? That a go there too. Yeah, man. And maybe a big pot of soup too. Like you know, cherry finish. And we're tired and we are exhausted and we just want something to just bring back little vitality in our body, you know?
So yes, the people, you see, we just cash out, you know.
Alright,
so, you know,
to come in.
we want to say maximum respect each and every time with people.
Right.
We go on a different side of the adventure. Like no, the lifestyle, different side of the lifestyle, guys. So you want to know the people, want to look out for
Alright, so the press back on
the fun part right over in our next video, I think. Well, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the people. I think I plan
a
to
different one going on.
whole heap of the gathering, like
everything going on.
Drink beer, the jerking. I think I plan to put that in a different video with people. So, like I said, I'm not sure yet, but we know I go see where I go with my people. So maximum respect each and every time with people. You know, God bless you all. God is the greatest. Until then, my people, wow, good. So I load up the big tata, you know, my people. So lift up here now. Yeah, man. So yeah,
So
walk way free, you know. See, just still the same one go.
Maybe if I school bus them now one day.
You say?
Yeah, man. I eat.
Outside. Oh.
Yes.
No, we put a slide in that, man. So yeah, my people at time to lift up, you know. What you turn out there? See, I drive on a big Tata here. What you turn out there? Hey. Oh, Taylor must come too. No man, you see the man here come. See back for that come with more buckle. Yeah, video. How many people will just I left out but we are turn back so I party them just pull up with some buckle too, you know?